What up, yo? It's your boy Nephew, and in today's video, I'm with the homie Bree. You know what I'm saying? And
so you make some orange chicken in jail.
Yeah.
Much. This one's my favorite. This is my favorite. So first off, pork grinds. This is like your base right here. Noodles.
Yup.
Cheetos. Some spicy nuts. And an orange packet to give it that little flavor.
Jelly, right?
How much?
Oh, and jelly.
Yup.
Jelly. Can't forget the jelly.
How much is this shit inside? Like, you know what I'm saying?
This is probably like a $10 meal in there.
Yeah?
How many people will this feed?
Depends how many noodles you use. I mean,
one noodle pack.
One noodle pack, you can probably feed 2 people.
And how, like, on the daily, people are cooking this or what?
Depends. I mean, whenever you get commissary.
Oh, okay.
Whenever you got food in there, I mean, there's a lot of things you can cook, but...
Would this give you mud butt?
Oh, for sure. We can start pretty much smashing with these noodles.
Yup.
And it doesn't really matter what kind of noodles you use. I mean, it's up to your, flavor, up to your taste, I like these ones. These are the best ones I get. These are the ones I always get.
Hey, how long have you been in there for? Like, how much time have you done that?
All together, I mean, I never done like straight. That's been like a month here, a month there. Yeah, all together, probably like a year, 2 years. I'm gonna say like a year and a half.
Okay.
I'm scared for you guys.
Yes, sir.
So now we're gonna do this. Look, this is gonna give it like that orange chicken taste, pretty much. Not chicken, but
the orangey vibe.
The orangey vibe,
Yeah.
We have chicken bouillon.
They don't got that in there, do they?
Nah. So we're gonna throw all of it in there.
Oh, dude, that's a lot.
Add some water up in
some
there.
Water. All right. So now we're gonna add jelly. Jelly just makes it a little sweet and gives it like that flavor.
Oof.
Oh, dude, that looks like mud butt.
What the actual fuck?
We need like a spoon to mix
Yeah,
it.
yeah, we need a spoon.
Let me go find a spoon.
And when you mix it, like the smell comes out more. And so while we're waiting for that, we can throw some of this in it.
A little bit of something.
Just a little spice,
Yeah. Damn it.
Damn, dude, I feel like we're gonna get mud butt from this.
If you smell it now, and it smells kind of like...
It's not bad. It doesn't smell bad. But it's like, it smells like...
Oh, man, it smells like Tang. Is that what you guys use? Tang in the
Yeah,
gel?
you can use Tang in there. You can use Tang or any anything that tastes like orange, pretty much.
Sunny Delight would probably be fire.
Sunny Delight powder. Anything powder form. It has to be powder,
Fuck, man.
So what we do with that now, we're gonna put that to the side.
Bro, no, 100%. This is gonna taste very different. Am I nervous? Yes, I'm very nervous.
It's just probably gonna be fire as fuck, and we're gonna want to eat this every day. But
nah, dude, no way. This is so bad for you, dog.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, bro. There's no way.
Nah, pre, this ain't bad for you, right?
Nah. This guy. I don't know, dog, but
this Dr. Pepper's bad for you. Well, now we're not gonna have enough. Fuck.
Damn it.
Damn.
We'll wait till it just gets
soft,
till it blows up, gets soft, and while that's doing that, you can switch them down just a little bit, but you don't want to do it too much. You want to still have that form of pork down.
Let me just see what this tastes like real quick.
Yeah, look at that poison.
Yeah, is that poison?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So what we do now is we got these hot nuts right here.
Do we gotta break that up?
No, you can just throw this in there and put the rest in there.
In this one?
Yeah, shake this up so it gets going.
You guys like nuts, huh?
Yeah, I love them. All the protein.
Yeah. All the protein.
Protein. So while that's sitting right there, we're gonna add some more jelly.
Can you make that bitch? Oh, gross. Oh, gross.
Yeah, the more jelly, I think, the better.
Yeah, it's gonna give you that like fucking
creamy vibe.
The orange
it just
like
gives it that, that's where all the flavors at.
That's like on the orange chicken, it has that glaze, right? Like, it's like...
So now what we do is, with this sauce that we stirred earlier, we're just gonna pour this,
Yeah.
No way, dog.
There you go.
Yeah, let me stir it real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
And you can already start to smell it, dude. Like, Like when you open the bag and you start to smell it and that smell gets out.
Smell it.
Wait, that one kind of smells kind of. I think that one's gonna smell better.
Well, that shit smells good.
I think
It doesn't smell bad.
I think you have to fold it how he did, and then like.
Do I
turn it
add
upside
more?
down.
Should I add more of this?
If you want.
Or maybe more juice, cause.
No, dude, I poured like
Dude,
a lot
smell
of
that right
juice.
there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that smells. And
Times, you know where I had to like I didn't have any like money like that, so like 2 jellies. I mean, the more jelly, the better, I think. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit more in mine.
The more jelly, the better.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, this shit's soggy as fuck. I really
That's
don't
how
like
it really hit. Well,
Dude, can I pour some out or something, or like?
yeah. Pour some juice out.
Hold on. This shit's like soggy to the max, dude.
That's how it's gonna be though. That's how it is.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be.
There's no crunch. Oh, that's why we got hey, this, dude.
You want crunch? I'm gonna give him crunch right now.
Yeah,
This is what
yeah.
I did it for.
Hey, crunch these.
You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't really matter how.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
Let these sit for like another.
2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Yeah, just let them sit. That shit's hot.
Yeah. Damn. Hot Cheetos, baby.
Oh dude, that looks like my butt.
Damn. That's, oh. No fucking way, dog.
Dude, that looks like orange chicken, bro.
That is insane. That's orange chicken, dog. All right, yo. So here's gonna be my fucking first bite of this shit. Let's go. We got some fucking. Ugh.
Make sure you get everything though.
Yeah, I know, right? That's why I'm like, hold on,
That was cool.
hold on.
It just smells gross right now. Dude, Nephew's gonna make this shit
You're
every
welcome.
day.
Hey,
You're welcome.
my guy, killer, bruh.
Hey, so like, literally, like, you could eat this all day long, Nephew, and like, it'll cost you $2.
Straight up. Hey, this is how you get your gains. Hey, no cap, this is fire, bro. What the fuck?
Like, low key, it might not be fire later though.
Oh no, this is
It
gonna
might
be some
fire in the
mad
toilet,
mud
low
butt,
key.
bro.
Oh yeah.
Mad
I
mud
mean,
butt.
it's good, but I can't eat it like.
But it's good, yeah. But it's gonna make me
Man, you're
shit.
so hungry, dog. Like,
Fuck.
it's like,
Oh man.
No cap. This is fire.
Hey, drink the Kool-Aid now.
Like, what the fuck, bro? No, like, Bree, like, what the fuck? You just blew my mind, bro.
food in jail. Food. Just think about it in jail. Food 10 times better. Food.
Yeah.
Hey, when nephew says he's hungry, bro,
Yeah.
if you whip this up, it wouldn't be too bad.
Food. And then you're gonna eat anything. Food.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Food. When I was in there, the first time I seen this shit, I'm like, no way.
No cap, this is like some real Panda Express, dog.
Yeah, fuck Panda Express. It's all about this now.
Yeah, no. Hey, honestly, Bree, you put me on some shit, bro.
You
Straight
learn
up.
something different every day.
Yeah, well, wait till you go to the bathroom and you're gonna be like, I don't want to do that no more.
Yeah.
Facts, my stomach's already kind of like.
Yeah, it gets you, turns your stomach a little bit.
Hey, but is it good? Yo, orange chicken from fucking county jail, bruh. Fire, dog. Fire. The homie Pre, he's a chef, bruh. You know how to cook this right, dog.
So if you ever get busted, think of me when you make this.
Yeah,
you know?
remember this video if you ever get
Remember
busted. Remember our faces, bruh. Remember this vibe right here. This is how it's gonna taste. This is how you're gonna vibe with it every time. But yeah, hopefully you don't go to county or anywhere bad. So stay out of trouble. But this shit is fire. Shout out to the homie Bree.
Come.
Lamar.
Lamar the Great.
Yup. And yeah, bro, that's all we got. Orange chicken from county jail. So
Baconettes.
we'll catch y'all.
We'll catch you in the county.
We'll catch you in county, bro. Fuck.